Hello, my name is Mike Welker, Coordinator of E-Learning and Innovation here at NC State, as well as Instructional Designer. Where we're at now is looking at how to set up our basic operation and firing up and shutting down of our computer lab setups here in Fallerius. So we've got over here our Epson projector mounted to the board, and then over here on the other side at the front of the room we've got our instructor workstation. Let's start over there to get things fired up. So here we are up at the front of the room, and we've got the other two pieces of equipment other than the projector that we're going to need to get fired up. That's our instructor PC and our instructor monitor. So on that instructor PC, over here at the top left, we've got the power button that we just press that in, and that'll fire that up. The next thing we need to do is make sure that the monitor is on. And if we're not seeing any image on there after a while, and we can look in the bottom right of the instructor monitor on the cart here, and if that's blank or dark, then we can push that, and that'll light that up, and then we'll have our display on there and the monitor will be on. Then the next thing we need to do is we need to log in here as ourselves using our NC State credentials. To do that, we just click the mouse, and if we're seeing something else that's not our name or administrator or something like that, in the bottom left we click other user, and then that'll give us a username password blank, and I can enter my NC State credentials at that point, the same things I use to get into my email, Canvas, MyNC, etc. That's going to be the credentials I put in here, and that'll give me access to the internet and different capabilities there. The next piece we need to do is get the old projector fired up here at the front of the room so everybody can see what we're pulling up. To do that, you'll need to find the white Epson remote. Looks like this. And what I'm going to want to do is aim this over at that guy and hit the blue power button at the top left on that. And I hear that little beep. That's it acknowledging it received my signal okay. Now it's going to take a minute or two to fire up, and then we'll be good to go. Whatever content I pull up on there will be shown over there, any websites, materials, so on and so forth. When I'm done at the end of the class, to shut everything down, I'll log out of the Windows machine using the Windows icon at the bottom left, per usual, and shut down. And to shut down the projector, then I'll go back to my little white Epson remote and aim it at that projector again and hit the power down button, and then that'll get me shut down, and then I'm good to go. If you have any other questions or would like to set up a one-on-one consultation about how to optimize your use of classroom multimedia for student success or retention, get a hold of us at elearning@ncstatecollege.edu or 419-755-4706. We'll be happy to work with you. Have a great class.